First grade students, I'm just getting my hands cleaned up. I want to keep everybody safe from any kind of viruses that could be lingering in the house. I don't think there are any, but just in case. Penny and I are ready. You ready to start our lesson for today? We're going to get started with some mental math that I have over here on the board. So if you have a piece of paper and a pencil, you can write down these number models. Now, I'm going to challenge you to solve these number models if you don't already know them, which I do know many of you have memorized a lot of your facts for Fact Power. Good job. If you haven't, you may notice you can use your double fact knowledge and rule +1 or -1 to help you with these. So let's get started. We have 4 plus 5. Write it down, write the answer. Again, parents, as we go through each one of these, if you want to hit pause and give your student a minute to solve. We're going to try not to use the number grid. Although we love the number grid. The number grid is a tool. Your fingers are a tool, always with you. However, we're going to practice using your knowledge of double facts to solve these three number models. So 4 plus 4, most of you will say, oh, 8. You only want to go up one more. If you know 4 plus 4 is 8, it's asking for +5. That tells us the answer is 9. That is using your double rule +1. Good job. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 6. I know when I play a game and I roll doubles, I get to move 12 spaces on the board. But my number model wants to know what's 6 plus 7, Ms. Shimbob. So I'm going to add one more to the 12, and that's 13. That's using your double fact +1 rule. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 9, I know pretty quickly is 18, so this is -1 with the double fact rule. So it's only asking me for 9 plus 8, so I'm going to say that's 17. So that's a quick mental math warm-up to get your brain thinking about math and how you can use your knowledge of double facts to solve these number models. Now, our lesson tonight is really kind of fun. Where's my fun sign? It's always close by because I like to have fun here in my dining room teaching some math. What's my rule? Now, you might be thinking, oh, Ms. Shimbob, we remember we did that with frames and arrows where you had to figure out the rule by looking at numbers and how they advance. It's very similar. However, we're going to be using a function machine. That's tricky. That's kind of cool. You're going to like it. It almost looks like a robot.
A robot.
For math. So I'm going to need to erase my board, do a little bit of artwork up here to create. I'll be right back. Okay, hi. So we're going to practice what's my rule. And this is how it looks. Over here, we have an in column and an out column. You're going to always see that next to what's my rule. This is the function machine. So we're going to label that right here. This is the function machine. I like to think of it as kind of a robot without a face. What you put in reads the rule, and then something comes out. Let's see exactly how this works. So if we know our rule is to add 2 plus 2 to what goes in the machine, which are these numbers right here, let's see what happens. We're going to be looking to fill in the outside of our 2-column chart. So if I say, okay, I'm going to put 3 plus 2, what comes out, everybody? Say it if you know it. You're right, it's 5. So you would fill in 5, just like that. Pretty basic, pretty easy, isn't it? All right, let's try another one. Did you like those sound effects? So this time, we're going to put 7 because in it tells me to put 7. I think it's helpful when you're first learning this skill to put the 7 right there on your paper. We're going to add 2, 8, 9. Say it in your head. It was only +2 right now. We're starting off easy. And we know the number that comes out is 9. We're going to fill that in right here. Look how nice that looks. All right, here we go again. We can erase this, and now we're going to put 8 in, plus 2, 9, 10. That's a complement of 10. I know you knew that. So there you go. This is a completed What's My Rule function machine right here with a plus 2 being the rule that you followed with what goes in to the machine. So you just picture that 8 sliding on through, picking up 2. That rhymes, doesn't it? Coming out to 10. All right, good job. We're going to do one more as practice here together on our lesson. Okay, Rubik's has joined us for our last function machine. I wanted you to see that the class fish is doing great, having a good time here at math class. So we have one last rule to follow, and right now it's going to be plus 4. We have some different numbers that are going to go in to our function machine and come out. So let's get started. The first one is in with the number 6. Plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Use your fingers. They're tools you have all the time. We know 6 plus 4 is a complement of 10. We're going to write 10 right here. Again, the idea is to not rely on the number grid, but if you need to, you can. All right, so now we have 8 going into our machine. We're going to add 4. We're going to say 9, 10, 11, 12. And that is what we come out with for 8 plus 4 equals 12. We fill that in right over there. Now we have 10 going in. That rhymes again. Our machine, 10 plus 4 is 14. Remember, we think 10 is an easy number to add to, and we're going to fill in 14 over here on the out part of our machine. So there you have it, guys. Function machines are a lot of fun. We're going to do this again for tomorrow's lesson, and we'll cover some of this together on our live video session on Friday. Penny, did you enjoy function machines? Penny Paul? Penny Paul? Penny Paul? High five? All right. Oh, you missed. Good girl. Good girl. All right. Have a great evening, morning, afternoon, whatever time you're watching. Bye.